Hello, my name is Rick, and in today's video we're going to talk about Shopify stores and e-commerce overall, and why accessibility is very important for a successful e-commerce store. So if you're a business owner that owns an e-commerce store or a manager of an e-commerce store, then this video is for you. We're going to learn how to increase conversions, retain clients, decrease cart abandonments, and dominate in your industry. Nowadays, it's very easy to build an e-commerce store. You can use tools like Shopify, Woocommerce, and many others in the market that allows people that don't have any technical experience to build their stores. Now, being easy to build doesn't mean that you can build a successful store. 95% of e-commerce stores fail in their first year. What about the other 5%? They master these 5 key points that allow them to be successful on the online world. They have a great product or service, they have an awesome user experience, and pay attention to this because I'm gonna get back to it later in the video. They have great customer service, they have great marketing, and they have recurring customers. So those are the 5 key points that allow them to be successful. Many business owners focus on the branding, the colors, the design on their stores, but they are missing the key points or the main formula that allows them to be successful. So no wonder why many ugly looking stores make a ton of sales while their very good looking stores just break even or lose a lot of money. So I'm gonna show you how to master these 3 key points that you can start implementing today, and you will definitely notice a difference. Step number 1, increase the average order value, which means how much money does a client spend on your store. Let's go back again to Amazon or eBay. You will see bundles, you will see offers, you will see frequently bought together items beneath the product that you are purchasing. That allow people to spend more money on your store, making every visit more profitable to you. Step number 2, decrease the cart abandonment rate. Now, around 70% of people that add to cart will leave the store without making a purchase. And that happens because of distractions, technical issues, or they have doubts about the product. And there is a very easy way to fix this. It is called email marketing or email follow-up. Now, you might think that nowadays email is dead, but actually it's not. Check this out. You can create a sequence of messages to target the clients that abandon their carts and make them go back into your store and make the purchase by telling them offers, news, more information about the product, or bundles. You can also use email marketing on special occasions, dates, promotions that you may have in the future. So that's very important. But what I want to tell you is that tools like Shopify have a default behavior to send email messages, but it's not enough because you must know how a good sequence goes in order to maximize the conversion rate on your store. And step number 3, give the best possible user experience to everyone. Now, I want you to pay attention to this step because this will make you stand out from your competition. When you think on user experience, you must think about everyone that interacts with your store, with disabilities or not. Now, this is very important because search engines nowadays reward more the sites that provide a good user experience to their customers instead of just a bunch of keywords that together might rank higher or lower on the search results. Also, nowadays, many countries have legislations in place that make mandatory to e-commerce sites and websites in general to be accessible to people with disabilities. So not only is the right thing to do for you as a business owner, but also you can get fined if you don't comply with these legislations. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more information, and if you have questions or comments, leave them below. You can implement these steps on your own, and if you want my help, just contact me on any of my social channels. Cheers.
Cooking soul